What's up, guys? Dr. West here. I'm in here in my backyard because, in Ohio, we don't give that much of a summer, as my pastor has said. So we only got 3 weeks to enjoy it. So I'm like, let me step outside and record this video outside. But listen, I'm excited to share something that's game changing with you guys today. Okay. So listen, if you're in government contracting, or you're thinking about getting into this lucrative field, you're going to want to stay with me. Okay, for the next few minutes, I want to share something big, something that I'm working on. Actually, it's finished. I just have to release it. Okay. I've been in the government contracting space for years. All right. And I've seen firsthand how challenging it can be to navigate like the complex world of RFPs, solicitations, and proposal writing. But what if I told you there's now a way to dramatically streamline this process and give yourself a serious competitive advantage? That's right. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Some of you are like, Wesley, you late to the party. Well, hey, I'm using it now. I'm talking about leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, to transform your government contracting business. And I put together the ultimate guide that shows you exactly how to do it. Okay. I put together a guide. It's coming out soon. Now, before I dive deeper, if you're serious about scaling your government contracting business, I want you guys to do me a favor. I want you guys to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on post notifications, push notifications, whatever you got to do. You'll be first to know when this game changing resource drops. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, it should be dropping probably within a week of me actually posting this video. So stay tuned. So, what makes AI such a powerful tool for government contractors, right? Well, think about it. How many hours do you currently spend reading through lengthy solicitations, searching for subcontractors, or crafting proposals? What if you could cut that time in half or even better? Well, with the right AI prompts, now hear me out, the right AI prompts and strategies, you can break down a 300-page solicitation in minutes. You can identify the key requirements and you can understand exactly what the government agency is looking for. No more missing critical details or spending hours highlighting documents. Sorry, there's dogs barking. I'm literally outside. And finding subcontractors, right? AI can help you generate targeted lists for potential partners in any location. You can complete with contact information, even insights about their capabilities. Like, y'all, this is getting crazy. This alone can save you countless hours of Google searches and phone calls. That's my bread and butter, Google and phone calls. But now I'm teaching people to incorporate AI. So if you're finding value, guys, in this information, do me a favor. I want you guys to take a second right now. Now, again, I don't have the video to the book, the final book to show you right this very moment. It is complete. I just got to get it formatted. I got to do some last finishing touches on it. But it is coming out. But if you guys can do me a favor, take a second right now. Listen to me right now. I'm looking at you. Hit the subscribe button. Turn on those notifications. And also do me another favor, guys. If you guys are interested in this, go ahead and drop in the comments AI. Drop comments, AI in the comments below and let me know you're ready to revolutionize your contracting business. Okay. Now, let's talk about proposal writing, right? Probably the most time consuming part of government contracting. With AI, you can generate like compelling executive summaries, technical approaches, even your past performance narratives in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. In the quality, guys, often better than what most contractors produce manually. As you guys know, some people in my program know that most contractors, when you ask for their past performance, like I like to say, they're on top of a roof right now swinging a hammer, and you're calling them saying, hey, can you give me your past performance, and can you give me your technical, and can you tell me exactly how you're going to do the work? Like, you can ask that of a amazing, again, no shade to my blue collar workers, amazing people. You can ask that of them, but they're busy actually doing the thing that they do. So what you need to do is you need to get the information from them, and you need to be able to make it work in your proposal, and you can use AI to do that. Okay, but here's the thing. You need to know exactly how to prompt these AI tools, right? The wrong prompts will give you generic, unhelpful content. Like, for example, you can't go in and chat GPT and say, here's the solicitation. write my proposal. Like, you can't do, like, that's a terrible prompt. You can't just say, here's the solicitation, write the proposal, find my sub, get the quote. It doesn't work that way. But when you learn how to actually write the prompts correctly, is how you can have successful government contracting using AI. All right. So the right prompts will give you proposal sections that are compliant, compelling, and tailored to the specific solicitation. You don't want the government to know you're using AI. You gotta jazz it up a little bit. Like, you gotta put a prompt in, it's gonna give you the result, but then you also gotta change that result. You also gotta read it. Like, here's another thing I'm gonna tell you guys. All because you're using AI, don't just copy and paste and send it to the government. Like, read it, review it. All right. So anyway, that's exactly what my upcoming resource covers, or my upcoming book, guys. I got, basically, long story short, this is a book announcement. The book is coming out. You guys did me a favor and continue to do me a favor. I put a post on the YouTube channel. I got like 3 titles that I'm going back and forth, maybe like 3 or 4 titles I'm going back and forth with. Do me a favor, go to my recent posts on YouTube and vote on there, so that will help me get the book out sooner. But the book is finished. I just gotta like title it. um, so that's what's coming out, guys. That's what's coming down the pipeline. So that's exactly what my upcoming resource covers. It's the exact prompts, the exact workflows that I've developed and tested with hundreds of contractors. These aren't just theory ideas, right? These are battle tested strategies that have helped win millions in government contracts. Now, not just myself, my students. I'm also now starting to incorporate this in my students. And by the way, if you're already in my mentorship program, then you're like, Wesley, what are you talking about? Hey, listen, you in the mentorship program. We got some stuff coming down the pipeline. You're gonna get all these resources, first. So don't worry. So remember to subscribe and turn on notifications now, so that you guys don't miss the release. Okay, this resource will be available soon, and I want you guys to be able to be among the first to access it. Okay. Now, you might be wondering, will AI replace the need for human expertise in government contracting? My theory, and not my theory, my true belief is absolutely not. What it does is amplify your expertise and free you up to focus on strategy and relationship building, while the AI handles the time consuming tasks. Think of it as having a virtual proposal team at your fingertips, ready to work 24/7 without complaints or coffee breaks. That's the power of combining your industry knowledge with cutting edge AI tools. Okay. Now, if you're excited about transforming your government contracting business with AI, again, guys, do me a favor, drop AI in the comments right now. Your engagement helps others discover this content too. I would love for you guys to share this with friends and family, if you will. I really appreciate it. I've seen contractors go from submitting 1 proposal a week to 5 or more using these techniques. Imagine what that could do for you in your win rate in revenue. So here's what I want you to do right now. First, hit that subscribe. I got the Cybertruck. I know some people don't like it, but I got a subscriber truck in the background. That's me. That's paid through government contracts. Hit the subscribe button. Second, comment AI below. And third, get ready to transform your government contracting business with this when this resource drops. Okay. This is your opportunity to get ahead of the curve before your competitors catch on. The government contracting landscape is changing, and those who adapt will thrive. Okay. I can't wait to share this resource with you guys soon. Subscribe now, turn on the notifications, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'll probably drop the book here soon and maybe do a walkthrough video. I might even have a course attached to it. We got some things that we're working on as well. And then I'm gonna say one more disclaimer before I sign off here. One more disclaimer, because this is what differentiates me from other AI people, right? I went to a conference not too long ago in DC, and there were so many tables there. And I don't know if, I'll just say it. There's just so many companies out there. I'm not bashing them. I'm just saying what I'm dropping is the blueprint, the prompts, what you should be doing to get the result using AI. So far, all these softwares that promise that they're going to do the proposals for you, They're going to give you the notifications for you. I've paid thousands for some of them. I've paid myself. I've won one contract, bid like 100 proposals, and that contract made me like 2 grand. Like I paid thousands of dollars, and those things didn't work for me. But the one thing I learned, and the one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, I asked the owner or creator of all those companies, from GovDash to .ai. I'm just gonna say .ai companies that end in .ai. And again, some of them probably watching this video like, oh, okay, Wesley getting in our industry now. No, I'm not. I'm not competing against those folks because what? Guess what? Every time I ask those folks, how many contracts have you won? How many contracts have you been awarded? You know what every single one of those AI platform people tell me that I asked that question to? They all say the same thing. Oh no, no, no. I haven't won any contracts. No, no, no. I'm the engineer. No, no. I created a platform. Oh no, no. I created a tool. Oh no, I we have a whole team of people under us who've won contracts. Oh no, I have associates that I work with who've won millions of dollars of contracts. But when I always ask them, how many contracts have you won with your software, it's always zero. If their software is so amazing that's going to just give you the proposal and help you win contracts, why haven't you won contracts with it? Now I'm not trying to throw no shade, because some of those people have reached out to me. Some of those people, I have good relationships with them, but I'm just being real. What I'm dropping for you guys is a whole resource, a book that has the exact prompts that tells you what to type, what to put in, and how to use AI for your government contracting business. And again, it doesn't matter. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use any platform. You just need to know the prompts. The whole prompts is what you need to know. So guys, that's coming to you real soon. Do me a favor. If you guys got value out of this, again, type AI in the comments below, type value below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.